Welcome back to an episode on the MAURO'S film channel. As you know, winter and Christmas is already here, and to celebrate it, we shall be going into some fresh retouches and edits from a commercial and photoshoot that I've done recently. And this is also a great reminder that my favorite editing and retouching suite is on a winter sale. And all the details will be actually in the description and in the end of this video. As you know, no matter the location or lighting situation, some skin imperfection will be getting in the way for a perfect portraiture and perfect export. So in this case, you can't just rely on some makeup or actually light to get the job done. You have to get after your shoot in your editing suite and edit these photos to make them smooth. In this case, I'm always reaching out to my favorite plugin/standalone application, Retouch4Me. In this case, we shall be looking in some heal, dodge and burn, portrait volumes, white teeth and maybe some more. So let's get inside, open some portraits and edit them right away. Okay, so we are now in Photoshop using the panel from Retouch4Me, and this plugin will mean that all the Retouch4Me plugins are all inside one app. And turning on the Retouch4Me panel 1.5, you will get all the retouching done straight on the right side, and you can cloud retouch or retouch it inside of your device. And inside we can already check my portrait loaded and ready to be edited. Firstly, we will have to heal this part of the face because we have some imperfections. And with the heal function, we can check automatically after retouching, that actually takes a couple of seconds, that we have smoothened the complete face. And turning on and off the visual, you can understand that the mask is doing a great job removing and actually retouching the face. After that, we could actually do a dodge and burn, and that actually smoothens the complete face even more, adding some more contrast and beauty with a gorgeous smoothness applied. And if we go to before and after, we see that even the smaller imperfections are gone. And yes, you can select to blend it from 0 to 200. But I like it to put it like, let's say, around 100. And yes, you can also scale it down from portrait size, middle or full body. I like to do it in auto mode because it does a great job of editing the portrait. After that, we can add some portrait volumes. This means that we'll get pretty much a better light applied on the face and hence much more the complete visual looks. And if we actually turn off and on, you can check difference between the portrait volumes on and off. Getting down, I also like to apply the skin tone. And this skin tones makes an actual even effect on all skin, so we can even the complete skin tone at once. And we are now doing the actual skin tone evening, and you can check before and after. We even out the complete color of the skin tone for a much pleasant look overall. Then add some eye brilliance, not too much because we have the eyes not so much in this front facing, just on a side look. But well, let's enter and make these eyes look pretty much more appealing to the actual viewer. After a couple of seconds, we get the image processing done, and we can check the before and after, like that, before and after, with a great visual look. If we want to blend it more, we can always do more, but I think that 100 is the perfect choice for this scenario. I would actually leave the photo as it is because this now looks in a perfect edited portrait. We can move on a different portrait that I took and actually do an editing there, so you can understand how easy and simple it is in just a couple of seconds. Okay, so we have another portrait, and we have already seen some imperfections in the face that we have to actually smoothen out. So we will be adding firstly the actual heel. and I will be going to 100% and doing it automatically. So we will be pressing the retouch button in just a couple of seconds, and we will be healing this part of the actual portrait to smoothen it out even more. So before and after we healed the complete portrait. After that, if we don't feel that the face is smoothened out, we can go for an dodge and burn effect, let's say 110%, and retouch it in just a couple of clicks. And we have this great dodge and burn, smoothing out the face even more. After that, I always like to add the portrait volumes, skin tone and eye brilliance. All together brings a pretty great amount of style in the footage. But also in this portrait we have visible teeth. So we'll go to white teeth and let's say whiten it about 40% and brighten it also about 40%. Clicking the retouch function, we will be getting straight away with this better visuals and better look with the white teeth applied. And turn on and off, we see a big difference in this overall look. I would actually not touch anything else because this portrait looks pretty great after than before. Okay, so we are now ready to go for the third retouch, and now we'll be actually doing all together. We will be healing the complete face, we will be dodge and burn applying this effect, and also we will be adding some portrait volumes, evening out with the skin tone, making some eye brilliance more visible, and also applying the eye vessel. And after that, if we don't have the white teeth, I would actually press the retouch button and we will be waiting a little to get the retouch done, and after that we can export this image to get an amazing portrait look. So we will be waiting now to get the retouching done, and after that check if we like this complete retouch function. And yes, after a couple of seconds we got an perfect portrait, and we can check the before and after. After all the retouches done, we get a clean, smooth image. And this looks extremely easy and simple, and exporting this takes just a couple of seconds. There you go, in a couple of seconds your portraits are ready to be exported for your client. So let's check some before and after the edits.
Are you ready for this? Are you ready? Are you ready for this? I run the place, I run the space.
So in the wake of these holidays, Retouch4Me have this amazing offer for the winter sale. The offer will kick on December 16, 2025 all the way to January 9, 2026. The discount is valid for all plugins and cloud retouches with the available code in the description, and you will get 35% off. So make your holiday editing a breeze with Retouch4Me and this amazing discount. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, I will be happy to answer to all them. Till my next one, thumbs up if you like, subscribe with the bell icon to get notified every time I make a video, and see you on my next one.
Are you ready for this?